Today I'm going to show you guys a meal that's great for brunch, lunch, or dinner. We're going to do a sliced steak. For our steak over here, we have hanger steak, or you can use flank steak. Cut it into 6 to 8 ounce portions. We're going to make a salsa verde, or green fresh sauce, in our food processor to go on top of that. To serve up a side dish with it, this is the perfect time of year to make fried green tomatoes.
So good, so good.
For the tomatoes, the important thing to remember about them is to salt them and drain them on a kitchen towel at least 30 minutes before you're going to cook them. You want all of the moisture to cook out of them. Otherwise, the coating you put on them will just slide right off, kind of pop off.
Cool.
For the breading, and again, try it with eggplant or chicken or fried green tomatoes, flour, egg, breadcrumb mixture. Salt and pepper, bunch of stuff down here. In the breadcrumbs, it is a bunch of stuff. In my Italian-style breadcrumbs, I always put cheese, pecorino romano or parmigiano, or a little mix of both. And I like a mixture of fine breadcrumb and panko, so you get extra crispy crust. I also have a little fresh flat leaf parsley and a little lemon zest. The rest of the kids are sesame, crushed red pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion, his best friend, and good buddies, thyme and oregano. Then you can add a little fennel seed or fennel pollen. I'm obsessed with fennel pollen. All of that goes into the Italian breadcrumb mixture. Just will you finish breading our fried green tomatoes, and I'm gonna get the first batch cooking?
Absolutely.
So we're going to fry up all of our fried green tomatoes and get them into the oven. When we come back, we'll get the steak in the pan and we'll make our salsa verde right after this.
Beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous? And then a couple of our fried green tomatoes alongside, and a little chopped hot Italian cherry pickled peppers on top.
Look at the colors on the plate.